Here's a motivational and educational story written just for you. It's like sitting with a good friend by a campfire, sharing tales that warm your heart and light your path. This story is about a boy named Sam who starts as a shy kid in a small village but grows into someone strong and happy. Each part teaches one big life lesson. Listen closely, repeat the words in your mind, and feel the words come alive. Let's begin. Chapter 1: The Boy Who Dreamed Big. Hello, my friend. Imagine a green village. Birds sing in the morning. Rivers flow with clear water. In this village lived a boy named Sam. Sam was 10 years old. He had big brown eyes. His hair was messy from playing outside. Sam loved to watch the sun rise. Every day he sat on a hill. He dreamed of big things. I want to see the city, Sam said to himself. I want to speak English well. I want to help my family. But Sam felt small. He was shy. Kids in the village laughed at him. One day, Sam's mom said, "Sam, why do you sit alone?" Sam looked down. "I dream too much, Mom." Mom smiled. "Dreams are good, but you need discipline." "What is discipline?" "It means doing what you must even when it's hard. It means waking up early. It means practicing every day." Sam did not know this yet. That night, Sam thought hard. "I will try discipline." The next morning, he woke up before the sun. It was cold. His bed felt warm, but he got up. He swept the floor. He fed the chickens. He studied his books. By evening, he felt tired but happy. "Discipline feels good," he said. Days passed. Sam kept his new habit. He woke early. He did his chores. He read simple English words. "Hello, how are you?" "I am fine." He said them out loud. His dad noticed. "Good job, Sam. Discipline builds strength." Sam smiled big. Now he felt ready for more. Chapter 2: Building Confidence Step by Step. 1 week later, something happened. The village had a fair. Everyone went. There were games and food. Sam wanted to join a race, but he was scared. "Kids will laugh," he thought. "I am not fast." Then he remembered discipline. Discipline helps. "I can try." At the fair, the race started. Sam stood at the line. His heart beat fast. "Buh!" shouted the man. Sam ran. His legs hurt. He fell once. Kids laughed. Sam got up. He ran harder. He came third. Not first, but third. People clapped. "Sam, you did it," said his friend Tim. Tim was brave. Sam felt warm inside. That was confidence growing. What is confidence? It means believing you can do things. It starts small, like saying hello to a stranger, or trying a new game. From that day, Sam built confidence. He said hello to everyone. "Hello, Uncle. How are you?" "Hello, Auntie. Good morning." People smiled back. "Yes, Sam, we are fine." One day, the teacher asked, "Who can read this sentence?" Sam raised his hand. Slowly, he read, "The cat sits on the mat." The class clapped. Sam's face turned red, but happy. "Confidence comes from trying," Mom said. "Even if you fail, try again." Sam nodded. Now, he walked tall. He was not shy anymore. Chapter 3: The Magic of Hard Work. Summer came. The sun was hot. Sam saw his dad work in the fields. Dad planted rice. He worked from dawn to dusk. Sweat poured down. "Dad, why do you work so hard?" Sam asked. Dad wiped his face. "Hard work makes dreams real, son." Sam thought about it. Hard work means giving your best. Not just a little. Not for one day. Every day. Like digging a deep well, one shovel at a time. Sam decided to work hard on English. He had a small notebook. Every day he wrote 5 words. Apple, buck, cat, dog, egg. He said them loud. Apple is red. Book is for reading. His friend Tim came. "Sam, play with me," Sam said. "After my work." He finished his words. Then they played. 1 month later, rain came. Fields grew green. Dad's rice was tall. Because of hard work, Sam's English words filled 10 pages. Because of hard work. At school, teacher said, "Sam, tell a story in English." Sam stood up. Once there was a boy. He worked hard. He won a race. Everyone listened. Good Sam, said teacher. Hard work pays. It always does. Sam learned that. He felt proud. Chapter 4. Mastering Time Like a Clock. Now Sam was busy. School in the morning, chores at home, English practice, play with friends. How to fit it all? One day he forgot his homework. Teacher was sad. Sam, time is gold. Sam felt bad. What is time management? It means planning your day, like a clock with hands that move steady. Wake at 6. Study till 8, play till 10. That night Sam made a plan. He drew a big circle, like a clock face. Morning, wake, brush, eat. School time, listen, learn. Afternoon, chores, English. Evening, play, family talk. Night, sleep early. Next day he followed it. No rush, no forget, everything fit. Tim said, Sam, you are always on time. Sam laughed. I plan my time now. Teach me, said Tim. Sam taught Tim. Make your clock, Tim. Tim tried. Soon, Tim was better too. At home, Mom said, Sam, dinner is ready at 7. Sam was there, on time. Dad smiled. Time management makes life easy. Sam's days were happy now. No waste. All good use, he said to himself. Time is my friend. Chapter 5. The Power of Honesty. One sunny day, trouble came. Sam found a shiny coin, big and gold, on the road near school. His heart jumped. I can buy sweets, he thought, or a new ball. But then he remembered Mom's words. Honesty means truth always. What is honesty? It means no lies, no hiding. Say what is right, even if it hurts a bit. Sam ran to school. Teacher was there. Teacher, I found this coin. Teacher's eyes went wide. Good boy, Sam. Who lost it? A girl cried. My coin, for Mom's gift. Teacher gave it back. The girl hugged Sam. Thank you, Sam. You are honest. Village people heard. Sam is truthful, they said. Dad patted his back. Honesty builds trust. Later, a man came. Sam, work for me after school. Why me? Sam asked. You are honest, said the man. Sam learned. Honesty opens doors. Lies close them. He promised. I will always be honest. Chapter 6. Believing in yourself. Winter came. Cold winds blew. Sam wanted to sing in the village show, but his voice shook. I'm not good, he thought. Friends said, Sam, don't sing. You will forget words. Sam felt doubt. Then he sat alone. He thought of all his lessons. Discipline, confidence, hard work, time, honesty. What next? Self-belief. Self-belief means, I can do it. I trust me, like a seed that grows into a tree, even in dark soil. Sam practiced singing every night, soft at first, then loud. I believe in me. Show day came. Crowd was big. Sam went on stage. His knees shook, but he sang, clear and strong. The sun rises. Birds fly high. I can too. People clapped loud. Bravo, Sam. Mom cried happy tears. You believed in yourself. Sam hugged her. Yes, Mom. Self-belief is magic. From then, no doubt stayed. Sam knew he could. Chapter 7. Learning English, one word at a time. Spring bloomed. Flowers opened. Sam loved English more, but it was hard sometimes. New words felt like mountains. Teacher said, learn slow, Sam. Every day a little. Learning English slowly means no rush. Repeat, listen, speak, like eating rice, one bite. Sam made a game. Morning, 3 words. Hello, thank you, please, he said to Mom. Hello, Mom, please give water. Thank you. Afternoon sentences. I like apples. They are red and sweet. Evening, talk to Tim. Tim, how are you today? I am good. Tim laughed. Sam, your English is fun. They practiced together. What is this? It is a book. Yes, read it. One day a tourist came. Lost man from city. Excuse me, said the man. Sam stepped up. Hello, sir. Can I help? The man smiled. Yes, where is the river? Sam said slow. Go straight, turn left. It is there. Thank you, boy. Sam felt joy. English opens world. He told everyone, learn slow, speak daily. You can too. Chapter 8, Never Giving Up, No Matter What. Rainy season hit hard. Floods came. Sam's house got wet. Books spoiled. He lost hope. Why, mate? He cried. Mom held him. Never give up, Sam. Never giving up means fall 7 times, stand 8, like a river that cuts rock, drop by drop. Sam dried his books. He made new ones, wrote words again, practiced in rain. School closed for days, but Sam studied under a tree. Discipline, hard work. Friends quit playing. Too wet. Sam said, I will not stop. Flood went, sun came back, school test came, Sam scored top. Teacher said, you never gave up. Village cheered. Sam was hero now. He said to kids, storms come, keep going. Chapter 9, Sam's Big Adventure in the City. Years passed. Sam grew to 12. He saved money from small jobs, honest work. One day he went to city, first time alone. Bus ride was bumpy, city was big, lights everywhere. Sam felt small again, but self-belief said, you can. He found a library, big books, English ones. He read slow, practiced speaking, met a boy named Raj. Hello, I'm Sam. Hi, I am Raj. Want to play? They talked all day, simple words. I live in village. City boy, teach me village songs. Raj's dad owned a shop. Sam, you speak good English. Thank you, uncle. Come work here summer. Sam did. Managed time. Worked hard. Never lied about money. People trusted him. Back home, he told stories. City is big, but lessons work everywhere. Chapter 10, Helping Others Grow. Sam was 13 now. He started a club for village kids. Learn English club. Every evening under big tree, teach discipline, wake early, confidence, say hello, hard work, practice words. Kids came, little Ria was shy. Sam brother, I can't. Sam said, you can. Slow steps. Ria tried, 1 word a day. Soon, she sang English songs. Tim helped too. We never give up. Mom watched proud. Sam, you changed us. Village grew happy. Kids spoke English. Dreamed big. Chapter 11, Facing a Big Challenge. 1 year later, bad news. Village school might close. No teacher. Kids said. Sam thought, I can teach. But he was down. Doubt came. No, self-belief. He went to Headman. Sir, let me try. Headman laughed. Avoid. Sam said honest. I work hard. I never quit. They agreed. 1 month trial. Sam planned lessons, time management, morning class, songs, games. First day, kids giggled, but Sam spoke calm. Hello, class. Today, we learn animals. Dog, cat, cow. They repeated. Fun. Month passed. Kids learned much. School stayed open. Sam was teacher helper. Chapter 12, The Day Sam Won Everything. Big day came. District English contest. Kids from all villages. Sam's club entered. Practice was tough. Hard work every day. Ria spoke first. I like to read books. Clear voice. Tim next. Hard work wins. Then Sam. He told his story. Discipline, confidence, all lessons. Slow, simple English. Judges clapped. You win first. Whole village danced. Sam said, not me. We all win. Chapter 13, Dreams Come True. Sam was 15. He got a scholarship to city school for good English and heart. Mom hugged tight. Go, son. Shine. Sam promised. I take lessons everywhere. In city, he helped new kids, taught self-belief, never give up. One day, he wrote a book, Sam's Simple Lessons, in easy English, for all children. Chapter 14, Looking Back with a Full Heart. Now Sam is grown. He visits village often, sees kids speaking English, dreaming big. He sits on that hill, Sun rises. I did it, he whispers. Because of discipline, confidence, hard work, each lesson like a brick built his strong house. The warm ending. My friend, Sam's story is your story too. You have the same heart. Believe in yourself. Like Sam did, practice English every day. One word, one sentence. Hello, I can do it. Speak out loud. Feel the power. Take small steps in life. Discipline in morning. Hard work all day. Never give up. You are strong. You are enough. Dream big. Start now. If this story touched you, give it a like. It helps others find it. Subscribe for more stories like this. We grow together. Share with a friend or family. Spread the joy. Thank you for listening. You are amazing. Go shine.